Chapter 2. Financial Instruments Decoded. Welcome to Chapter 2 of Capital Markets 101, Navigating the Financial Seas. In this segment, we dive into the intricate world of financial instruments, decoding the complexities of stocks, bonds, and securities that populate the vast landscape of capital markets. Understanding financial instruments. Embark on this chapter by unraveling the essence of financial instruments. These are the tools that investors utilize to participate in capital markets, and each instrument carries its own set of characteristics, risks, and potential rewards. Gain a comprehensive understanding of how these instruments are the building blocks of investment portfolios. Stocks. Ownership in companies. Navigate through the world of stocks, which represent ownership in companies. Understand the concept of equity and how owning shares in a company grants you a stake in its profits and losses. Explore the various types of stocks, from common to preferred, and learn how stock prices are influenced by factors such as company performance, market conditions, and investor sentiment. Bonds. The world of debt instruments. Delve into the realm of bonds, representing debt instruments. Grasp the concept of lending money to governments, corporations, or municipalities in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the principal amount at maturity. Uncover the different types of bonds, including government bonds, corporate bonds, and municipal bonds, each offering unique risk and return profiles. Securities. Complexity and diversification. Explore the broader category of securities, which encompasses a wide range of tradable financial instruments. From exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and mutual funds to derivatives like options and futures, understand how securities provide investors with opportunities to diversify their portfolios, manage risk, and gain exposure to various asset classes. Risk and return dynamics. As you navigate through this chapter, grasp the fundamental relationship between risk and return associated with different financial instruments. Recognize that higher potential returns often come with increased risk, and understanding this trade-off is crucial for making informed investment decisions aligned with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Real-world examples and case studies. Immerse yourself in real-world examples and case studies to solidify your understanding of financial instruments. Explore historical instances where specific instruments have played pivotal roles in shaping investment strategies and market dynamics. Gain insights into how investors have navigated through different market conditions using various financial instruments. Conclusion. Building blocks of investment portfolios. Conclude this chapter by recognizing the pivotal role that financial instruments play in constructing robust investment portfolios. Whether you are aiming for capital appreciation, income generation, or a combination of both, understanding the nuances of different instruments is essential for successfully navigating the diverse seas of capital markets. As you set sail into the next chapter, armed with knowledge about financial instruments, you are better equipped to explore more advanced concepts in Capital Markets 101.